In today's presentation, I will talk about the Neumann Computer Architecture. It has been one of the first computer architectures. As you can see, we have in total 4 components. We have the bus system in the middle, the processor, the memory, and the I/O unit. So as you can see, the processor has 2 units, the ALU and the control unit. So what is the ALU? The ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit and is also called rarely the processor. It executes arithmetic operation and Boolean operations. And the control unit task is to interpret the instruction of a program. In order for all components to communicate with each other, the bus system is there. So it is used for communication between the individual components. And the memory, also called RAM, stores instructions and data that are accessible for ALU. And last but not least, we have the I/O unit. It controls the in and output of data to user, for example, the keyboard, the monitor, and other systems, as for example, the interfaces. Thanks for your attention.